Hello everyone, this is Kathy and Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty. Welcome to our channel. If this is your first time here in our channel, please watch and subscribe and give us thumbs up if you like what you see. Today we're going to make a really cool soap. It's our watermelon soap. We're going to use our shop heritage, what is it called, Kelsey? Workshop heritage mold, and so we're gonna change that a little bit. It's gonna be a tall and skinny mold, soap. All right, so what we're gonna use poppy seeds here, organic poppy seeds, to make the little seeds for the watermelon. The fragrance oils we use is from Crafter Choice, and it is fresh picked watermelon. I really like this one. It smells really good. It smells a little bit like a candy watermelon thing, but it's not overpowering. And then for our colorants, we have a Nurture Soap, my Red Obsession, and it's mixed with red mica from Brambleberry. And we have Kelly Green and Fizzy Lemonade colorant together to make the second green. Alright, so let's go and make this beautiful soap. Alright guys, here we are. We're gonna get the lye solution going, and I'm gonna use the heat transfer method today. That means that I'm gonna heat up my lye, make the solution, it gets really hot, and we're gonna put it in our solid oils. In this case we have palm oil and coconut oil, and also then after we melt those, we're gonna put the liquid oils in there. In our recipe we use olive oil, castor oil, and sunflower oil today. Okay, and we're also going to use a little bit of coconut milk because we like the way it feels. And then the lye solution, I already have a little bit of sugar and salt and a little bit of tussa silk. Okay, we're going to melt in there too. Alright, so let's do this, and I'll be right back after I made my lye solution. Okay? Okay guys, I'm back. My lye solution is ready, but before I do that, I am going to put my little cup of coconut milk in my solid oil, and my liquid oils here, not solid, I meant liquid. And I'm going to blend it a little bit so that everything gets emulsified. Alright, and there we go. We're going to put our hot lye solution in our solid oils and melt them. It's kind of cool the way it goes in there, and as soon as it hits the oils, you can see it. It's already melting them. Melting everything down. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to stir it up to help those oils get melted faster, and I'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. So our solid oils are all melted, and now we're going to add our liquid oils and blend them up. So let's do that. Slowly going to put in there. Look how it does it. It changes color right away. Kind of neat. So what I'm going to do, the main batter in here is going to be kind of that pinkish red watermelon color. And we're going to do 2 kinds of greens to make, the watermelon outside layer. And then we're going to do a little bit of a white, just like, when you look at a watermelon slice, you have the little white in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to blend this a little bit. And then we'll come back and we're going to split them in 3 little buckets, and the mini bucket here is going to be red pinkish red, Okay guys, so see it's a light, very light trace right now, so we're going to split it in the little containers. Okay. Alright, so let me move this over here. Try not to make a mess today. So in here I have the two greens that I put a little oil in there, dispersing oil a little bit. This is Kelly green mica from Rumbleberry, and a little bit of blue mica from Rumbleberry too. Right, Kelsey?
Right.
Okay, so there we go. And then in this one over here, I don't know if you guys can see, there's again Kelly green mica and the fizzy lemonade, and a teeny tiny bit of titanium dioxide to make it a little bit lighter. Okay, so let me put some in here and there. Alright, there we go. Then we mix it up a little bit by hand first. Trying to get all the stuff on the bottom. I think I'm going to need a bigger spatula. And then I'm going to do a little bit of titanium dioxide because we want that to be on top. Okay, I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the fragrance oil and also get the white going after this. Alright, oh, that smells so nice. Doesn't it, Kelsey?
Yeah, it does.
And this is a really nice fragrance oil because it doesn't accelerate, it doesn't rise. It's a really nice fragrance oil. I mean, it smells amazing. So I want to put this in my mold, start layering, because I wanted to get a little bit, you know, solidify in there. A little bit harder in there. So let's get the mold. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to do the little streaks there, the little stripes. So I'm going to let this stay a little tiny bit. I'm kind of having fun here. Just try to make it a little bit more leveled with the bottom. And we're going to start the white, okay, in a second. I mixed up my titanium dioxide here, and I'm gonna put it right in there to put, you know, that's the white part of the rind, right?
Yep.
Okay, hope you guys can see me. Yeah, that's solidified really well. Wow. Look at that. I'm going to move it around so I can get this everywhere. them over a little bit so it goes everywhere. I'm gonna move it a little bit here. And I'm gonna smack it down on the floor and I'll be back. Okay, so this over here is just the other part that we're gonna do the red one, red, pinkish red, like watermelon red, and I can't speak. Okay, so it's still pretty good. Actually, it's perfect. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my color on in there first, my mica. Mix it up a little bit so we don't have any weird chunks in there. And see if we like it. If we need more, we will get more. And do the TikTok. So now I'm going to smack it down and then we come back and we'll texturize a little. Okay, I'm just going to texture that a little bit on the top because, you know, I just want a little bit of texture, not that much. Just a little bit. Nothing fancy. Something like that. I'm going to play a little bit. Okay, and I think this is done. We're done for today. And we're going to come back in a couple days, like 48 hours. And we're going to spray it with a little bit of, spritz it with a little bit of alcohol, 90% alcohol. And we'll be back in a couple days and we are going to cut it. Hi guys, we're back and it's actually about 48 hours that we made this soap. And it got a little bit of soda ash on the top. And one thing that I like about it, you know, I think I should have used more pigment, you know, more mica, because it got really kind of like a really light pinkish. But let's see what's going on inside and find out. So let's mold it. Oh, there we go. Into this. Wow, look at that. Look at the difference. Okay, this is interesting, guys. Look at the difference inside and the outside. Probably is gonna get this color, unfortunately. Oh, that is, see, that's the color I wanted, but unfortunately it's gonna this color like this. But it looks cool. What do you think, Els?
Yeah, it looks great.
And it smells nice. Yeah, I really like this fragrance oil from also Supplies for Us. It's very nice. scent. But it looks kind of neat. What do you think, Kelsey? I like the two-tone screens there. They came out good. Alright. Oh, this one, it kind of went up. Because it wasn't very solid there. But that's okay. That's fine. It's kind of cute. And I didn't put a lot of poppy seeds because I don't want to. I want to be a little bit of exfoliation, but not that much. Alright. So guys, I hope where you are it's not too hot. Here is actually nice. The temperature is about 80 degrees, something like that. But, you know, it's going to be a little bit cooler tomorrow, so we are in normal weather now from Washington State. Okay, so I'm gonna go and finish this over here. Finish all the cutting over here, and I will come back and we'll show you what the little slices look like. You know, you already seen it, but we're gonna put them together and show you the whole thing and how many slices I'm getting this time, because I changed the depth over here with this mold. Okay, so we're kind of still experimenting with this mold. Alright, we'll see you in a second. Okay guys, and that's what they look like cut, and like I said before, they look, I don't know on the camera if you can see it, but they discolored a little bit. They're more like a pinkish salmon-y color outside, and inside they're still nice and pink. Probably gonna be, you know, that color that's outside because when they cure. So I hope you like this video, and you give us thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. We still have our $50 Amazon gift card. If you want to be entered in in the drawing, just don't forget to subscribe and to be visible, so we know who you are, and so we can give you the gift card. Well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a wonderful day or night.